Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can speed up your Steam download speed and how you can fix the slow download speed, and I will show you guys the best solution to fix this problem, so make sure you watch this entire video. And after this video your problem is fixed. Just click on the Steam, open up your Steam settings, then go to the downloads, and here in the download region you can select the region which is the near to you, because if you select the region near to you it will increase your download speed. And make sure this option is unchecked, which is the limit download speed. Also uncheck this, which is the schedule auto updates, and just check this box of the allow download during gameplay, and just also uncheck this box of the throttle download. And you have also clear your cache to fix your slow download. Click on the clear cache, click on the confirm, and after that just restart the Steam and your slow download speed is fixed. So the next solution you need to do, right click on your taskbar and open up your task manager, and now here you have to just simply search for the apps or the softwares that are running in your background, because these apps or the software will consume lot of bandwidth in your background, lot of the RAM usage or the lot of the CPU usage in your background. So you need to just right click on that, simply end task. After that just go to the performance. Now click on the open resource monitor, and when you click on the open resource monitor, now here you need to just simply click on the networks you are seeing on the fourth number, and now here you will see all the services of the network and which is the consuming all of your data. So here you need to just like you are seeing the chrome.exe will consuming the most of the data in the background. So I can just right click on that and simply click on the end task. And after this setting, now I can just go to the Windows search again, type the ncpa.cpl, and just open this setting. And once I open it, I can just see my Wi-Fi. I can just right click on it and go to its properties. And now here in the properties, I can just simply look for the Internet Protocol version 4, then go to its properties. And now here you have to just check this box of use the following DNS server. And here in the preferred DNS server, just type the 8.8.8.8, and in the alternate DNS server, just type the 8.8.4.4. And guys, this is the best DNS server provided by the Google. Then just click on the OK to save the changes, then just close it, and I will recommend you to restart your PC. After the restart, your slow download problem is fixed. And guys, if this video is helpful for you, so please like it, because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.